Well, we're back on the river today. We've been fishing. I didn't do an early intro. He's off. But like I was saying, we're on the river again fishing. We got several posts put out this morning, and that's the first bite we got. We've been here 45 minutes fishing. That's promising though. It's like a switch flips most of the time when they start. Here we're on the Red River. We'll go through a little bit more technical stuff today. Kind of explain to you guys what we're actually doing. We didn't yesterday, we just kind of fished. Yeah, he lost it. Tate had a good in there a while ago. Anyway, I'll go down here and reel one of these rigs in and kind of show you guys what we're doing. We've got several different types of rigs thrown out, but this is one I'm fishing with today. There with the gar top right there. I don't know that it was an alligator gar. It looked short. Could have been. But I'm gonna reel this in and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, show you what we got here. We're using buffalo heads for bait, or there's buffalo in general. 150-pound braid. Got 3 strands braided together as a leader down to a 3/0 super heavy duty hook, which means nothing. I had 2 of these crushed yesterday. It's absolutely insane what these things can do. Up to a 300-pound ball bearing swivel. That's not necessary, just get a strong, really strong swivel, but you do need something strong. And we got a lot of current today, so I've got 4 ounces of weight on. And main line is a 150-pound braid. My thinking in theory on the braid versus the cable leader that we normally use is that you'll get pickups with a cable, and we've got a lot of pickups with a cable. But I'm thinking that those fish feel that cable in their side of their mouth. Gar's gonna pick the bait up, and he's gonna move with it a little while. Then he's gonna get it in his mouth. And the second he gets in his mouth, I think that they feel the cable and shift the bait back around to the outside of their mouth, and it takes it longer for a hook set up. But with this, they don't know that that's there. We landed 4 fish yesterday, and 3 of them was on this setup right here. So that's not enough yet to really see if there's a major difference, but we'll find out today. We're gonna put some jugs out here in a little bit. Anyway, what we're looking for on where we're fishing is deeper holes off into an eddy. What's your favorite spot, Eli?
Down there.
Down there.
Yeah.
Eli likes down there. That's where he fishes.
I've been heartbroken twice there before.
Where he's fishing down there, there's a cut back and there's an eddy off the side of it, and them fish will come into that eddy and hook back around into that current and pick up whatever's washed in. He's got it figured out. That Tate hooked a little bit ago. There was a big fish, and Eli hooked a giant there last year. Anyway, we're gonna proceed. We get one online, and we'll get you back on. Another technique that we use is the jugs. Stephen Corey fixed to go upstream up here to the corner and throw them against that current on the other side. All the fish we're seeing rolling are rolling on out of our range.
I've got more jugs if you want to throw more jugs.
How many you got?
Probably another 8 or 10. Oh my God. Hey! That's my one right there.
One up Pollard down here. Eli's hooked 2 giants. Keep bending his hooks. It don't look like the guys that I'm running. Huh? Is it getting hit? Zach, get that pole right there. It's getting hit. Is he on?
First thing I think it's off now. Yep, off. Should I drop it?
Yeah.
Oh crap. You get all that?
I sure hope so.
Oh. That is monster. That is friggin' giant. I think I want to go over that, but I'm afraid to. I don't want to get tangled up. Oh, jeez. That's massive. That's big. Huge. Huge. This is one from last year.
Is it on the log?
No, just on the bottom. Don't run again. Yeah.
You and brush or he just...
He just glued the bottom.
Oh, there.
Holy crap.
That's a real one.
Drink it. Oh my God. Woo! Yeah, I like
Oh my gosh, he grunted. That's a big fish.
Lord. Yeah. Birthday dinner. Roy boy.
Yeah.
Okay, can I call you back in just a minute? She's coming right for you, dog. Luca.
Roy, come here, dude.
I think there's something in the water.
I think it's in my bucket. It's my table. That's where the tape is.
What color is the bucket?
I don't want them going out there no more. There's trees out there.
Come on, Roy.
Remember how many we lost right there? Oh.
Yeah, I'm back dragged way off.
You doing him right. Let him decide when he wants to come in. That's a giant.
I don't even know how to make a guesstimation on the weight on that fish.
I'll be the first to break too.
I honestly believe that's last year's fish. Yeah, that's the one that my dreams have been haunted by
I hope so.
for a year.
Maybe you'll shut up now.
Maybe he's got a treble stuck in him somewhere.
But if it gets away, I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna walk home. I'll start walking from here.
It's a little sweeter than getting that amberjack monkey off your back, though, ain't it?
Yeah.
Go to sleep in this hole right through. So much faster.
Hey, it's coming close.
10 times better.
Got that wax in it too. Grab a little bit tighter. So easy.
Golly.
Oh. Go back.
What was the tackling feel like?
I bet he don't have any crazy runs left in him.
I don't think so. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not making any predictions.
So we may want to.
I've been having hits on it.
That's got to be pushing too.
Never held a two. So.
It's always easy to say looking at him in the water, but we ain't caught anything that long at all, not even close.
Yep.
Huh?
Well, that part where I said they didn't have nothing enough left.
Oh, Lord. Put a little pressure on it. Stop him. It's an alligator without legs.
See what a large one Roy. Not this state anymore. Roy.
Yeah, looks like
Goodness.
Yeah, it worked better than you think. You gotta give some slack right home.
Yeah. Holy crap, fire.
Oh my gosh! That is a freaking dinosaur.
Holy crap.
Whoa! Golly. That's what I'm talking about. Oh.
I don't know, so many folks screaming at Steve again. Get his butt down here to look at this sucker.
That's a.
Has to be, man. That's
Kind of scared to get like anywhere when it's. We need pliers. I got pliers back at my deal.
holy crap.
Jeez.
Keep me, might get a video.
Have him grab pliers.
Good catch, dude.
That's pretty.
Should we?
Cut them pliers or cut the leader? And remember me last year, bud? Yeah, you got the better of me last year. Very scary. Holy crap! How much does that fish weigh?
It's got to be 200 pounds.
Yeah, it's got to be.
I really wish we had a dragon frame for with the
Measuring.
on it.
100%.
All the way to the very, very tip. Yep. 97 and a half.
97 and a half.
Now comes the fun part.
That's 8'1".
Huh?
That's 8'1", isn't it?
97, yes, 8'1".
Golly.
I think it kick a field goal. That was a muscle.
Dude, you probably just caught a lifetime fish.
I don't look at the river. I looked at this fish 37 and a half.
4 times?
3-4 times.
37 and a half.
97. Got your photos? 97.
That's a true giant, man.
That is a absolute.
I'll be able to pull a lot of good stills off that. I'm gonna get several angles here.
You ain't scared nothing.
I think he just wants a picture.
There's people come from all over the world to catch those fish and won't ever catch one that big. That's kind of crazy.
All right, I go home.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Woo! That was no words for that one. That's just kind of crazy.
Everyone swear you're gonna
twice as big as the other one I got.
What was my big one, Tommy? 75 and a quarter.
The one that Eli caught.
We figured over 100.
Yeah, Eli was saying about between 100 and 100.
I just want to point a bow and arrow at its head and have somebody take a picture of it. A little surprising.
I wouldn't be surprised.
I think their brains reset pretty quick.
Right.
Golly.
Holy crap. And a crack. 6 inches. 8 foot flat. 8
Hold on,
foot
you still
flat,
gotta-
exactly 8 foot.
You put it back on there.
Okay.
I know it's
Yep.
being picky, but
No, hey, people care if somebody calls. Yes.
little towards Zach.
The tip is the, yeah, the tip is the, yeah.
We'll call that 97.
I bet that fish is. We'll go 40. Well, he just let his air out. He just lost an inch, at least. I never thought about that. That takes in that comes into play.
38. 38 and a half.
38 and a half.
I'll 38 and a half.
38 and a half, yep. He is fatter than that first one.
38 and a half by 97. It's a bigger fish.
We made a video moving her. Not the video. We made a move.
Touch. Get him, Tate. Get him. That's what I'm talking about right there. Come on, Tate.
Where's the last one?
I don't know.
Getting past that 30-second mark.
Well, that's good, one, Kate. That's good. One.
Come on, there we are.
Where's the last one at?
I have no idea. Eli got it with him?
Probably with Eli. Eli! Can you bring the rope?
Look at it.
Oh, man.
Oh, that was
Oh,
a
yeah.
good one. That's a good one. That's a good fish.
This other pole's gonna be in your way.
So, yeah, it's definitely his next one for sure. The one on the very end might be, Corey. End up being, in a way.
Keep him out of everything. Tate's got a thumper on.
If this is a third 200-pound fish, I just
I'm done.
That's just insane.
Y'all done worked me too hard. You got over there. You
Like
got
he
over.
bumped this one. He's like, oh, I'll get the one back there.
It looks good.
Oh, man.
Chris, come get this other pole. We're all wound up here. Yeah. Yeah, I got the other pole beside him.
I think so. Oh, yeah, he's still on. He's shooting to the right pretty heavy.
What? Go get it.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Is it 3?
That's another toad. Atlanta's a... Golly. What the heck is this place? Come here, Roy. Roy. Come here, Roy. Roy.
That's bigger already.
Later cat both the other ones, right?
This hits all.
Ready?
This one's broke, huh?
No, it's over here, I think. Let's screen.
Around your
Watch this.
He's right on the tip of the jaw. A little bit.
There we are.
Good Lord. That's still a good dandy.
Oh, yeah, that's only 7.5 feet long.
Got a 3-minute catch right there.
On board. Good job, finally. All right, I'm gonna go man my station.
How can one hole, you got that tape on you?
No, it's over. I'm cool.
That was that spooled line.
Huh?
I reeled that in, there was a line going upstream.
Oh,
It was this pole, it was a
where's it at? Where's it at now?
right here. The line that spooled you, I reeled this one in, it had it hooked up.
Oh, you read.
Sometimes I think they can go. Did he get you?
Yes. Overall, got it pretty good. Keep going. Right there.
82 and a half.
I want to do girth. 82 and a half.
82 and a half. You're not going to do girth?
No.
On this pole.
Let me get my shadow out of the way.
And that's one you could attempt to pick up for the traditional picture. I noticed nobody earlier was trying to Yeah.
We've seen too many thrash, man.
That's a.
I'm convinced that the Trinity River fish,
Yeah.
they're like mellow, man. These Red River fish are ready to kill you.
So heavy, I guess. I wish I would have thought about that braid. Yeah. I thought it was that one.
What'd you do? Get off of it?
Hey, we picked up that one that Cody.
Okay, this is the first. The fish that spooled Cody earlier. I don't know if I even filmed that because it was, I don't know. If I did, we'll tag this on the end of it. But anyway, he got spooled and the line come back by us and Corey grabbed it. First got it on the other fishing line. Then it got away and it come back by and he grabbed it. So now we're gonna restring the rod and let him catch the fish. This will definitely be a line cut. It's gonna be in the gut.
This is gonna be awesome if it works. I hope he's still on there.
Well, it was that way, so.
You fixed to surprise the far out of him.
Oh, that's what I'm kind of scared of.
This might be the one you need to keep. If we do get him in the gut.
Nothing's happened. I haven't found tension yet.
He's probably just circled.
Nope, there we go.
You finding him?
Yep.
I think he's hooked.
Oh yeah.
He's hooked. There he comes. He's coming back now.
That's a mile crap right there.
Oh, he's got tongue.
He's got by the line. He's under that one, so he's good on that one.
You don't feel super big.
He don't know he's hooked yet, son.
Oh, there he is. He's just trolling right now.
He's still green as a gourd. He ain't had nothing on him yet.
There he is.
Get this ball pole and walk it down here behind us.
If this is another one, Tate.
Oh my goodness. Put that up all right here.
Yeah, I got to walk over there.
He's got Tommy's line. I'm not going to reel it. I'm just going to walk.
Yeah, there you go. We'll deal with whatever kind of knot that entails. I would walk that way and get him away from these boats if you can, Coco, where he won't cut you off.
Should I reel this in or should I anything move my boat?
Yes, reel it in.
Your boat's
If he starts towards these boats, Cody, walk out there with him.
Trent, can you take my phone? Give me that. It takes me to get up. Not speed at the moment. Speed is not with me. If I was in a house fire, I'd die probably.
I don't think he's as big, Coco.
Huh?
I've seen his caudal fin. I don't think he's as big.
He's not as big.
Means actually nothing right now, so.
I'm letting out line.
Come this way, Steve, where he won't get hung in that boat.
90 pounds? 80 to 90 is what I'm kind of thinking.
He may well be over 100. I'm just saying he's not.
Your weight class is a little bit.
It's weird now. Things have changed.
Oh, yeah. This is amazing. You know, it's funny after I moved back, there was a couple of years where I
Ernest.
slowly, like just fully in love with.
The reason why I went ahead and emptied that spool because that was completely full. I was scared to tie it to that rope and make it over wrapping. We were really screwed then.
Go that way a little bit more, Coco.
You have a coach now, he's gonna run when he sees us maybe.
That's a very, very cool catch.
One that we didn't see twice yesterday, but one of them did a giant circle and came back and dropped it.
Where are you at, Coco?
Right in front of me.
Why am I over here running?
Huh?
Why am I running over here then?
Maybe a different fish.
That's gotta be a different fish.
You were actually on a fish instead of the.
You want it, Tommy? Or you may set it. That's got to be a different fish, Tommy. It's going back this way. He's over here. Why am I?
That was a different fish that whole time, Steve.
I didn't know. I thought it took off when his went that way. It took off when it went that way. I thought, well, Lord, I gotta.
What?
Sorry, Tommy.
100 ish. We
that's
don't
fine.
know
I
really
was
for
afraid
sure.
it hung with his, and I didn't want him losing.
Got so much juice in it.
Still got a quarter, Tate.
78. It's like 79.
79. That's somebody caught one yesterday with 79. Huh?
That's what he caught. I caught the 75, 76.
How big is it? Sure. Last year. Near that.
So what was that, 70, 79? Right. 78? So that is, say, 32 3/4. 32 3/4 girth. What did I say for weight?
79.
79.
Okay.
Yeah, that leader's in there.
You just let me go.
No. Is there another broke line there? Is that part of the lead? That's part of the.
Part of the leader.
I don't think it swallowed it.
I don't think it's that far down in it.
He'll be fine in his mouth.
I could have sworn it was hooked to this fish.
Yeah.
The way it was running.